In this video, I'll be showing you how to install OpenCode and use it inside Cursor. Right now I'm inside Cursor and you can see I already have this directory here. But if you don't have this, what you could simply do is to come to the top and then click on new folder or open folder, click on open folder. And then when you come here, you can create a folder inside any of these directories. In my case, I already created one called Open No Code. And when you do that, click on it and click on open. I'll cancel that. I'm already inside my Open Code General. This is a directory for all my Open Code projects. Now you will see I already have OpenCode installed here. I'm using the IDE, the installable IDE. This is it. But I want to go in a different direction. Now, once you've done this, simply come and make sure you have the terminal open. For you to toggle on the terminal, you can simply use Command G. But I will just do it here. Once I click there, you see it's already inside the OpenCode General terminal. So I'm going to go back to my browser and I want to come to opencode.ai. Come to opencode.ai and we have a number of commands which we can use to install OpenCode into Cursor. You can use the curl, but I'm going to be using the npm, which is just the easiest. You can also use brew if you're using the general terminal, but I'll use npm. I'll just copy that and then I'll come back to Cursor and then I want to paste this inside here. I'll paste this. There's some key bindings don't go by default. I'll click on configure terminal settings. I'll just click on add item and I'll cancel this. And then I'll go back here. I'll just run this. It's going to take a little bit of time to run. Now I've gone ahead and done that and it tells me added 2 packages in 5 seconds. But for us to open the OpenCode CLI, I'll just write in OpenCode. It will take some time to do some iterations, but it's going to open the OpenCode CLI. And this is it we have here. I could just drag this up here. Now, if you go to this particular section where you can choose your model, I don't see the ability to choose a model here just yet, but I feel like if I should go to my OpenCode terminal, you can see here that I have quite a lot. Now I have what OpenCode comes with by default. These are the models, but you need to have a payment gateway installed. You can use BigPickle for free. You can use GLM 4.7 for free. You can also use Kimike 2.5 for free. You can use Minimax 2.1 for free and Trinity Large Preview for free. But all of these other ones are connected to my Google Anti-Gravity account. So I'll simply come back into Cursor. Now here is what you notice. If you want to change from build to planning, you can use Control T. No, I'll first of all go with the tab. If I click on the tab, you see it goes from planning to build. And then you can choose the variance, how much of tokens you want to use. I'll use Control T. You can use high. You can also use low. So it's using Gemini 3 Pro and OpenCode Zen, I believe. And then for commands, you can use Control P. See, you can choose what you want to do. You can switch model. Let me go to switch model. I think I found it. You can switch model. Let me click on that. So I can use any of these. So it's connecting to my account. I already have an OpenCode account. That's why you see all of these. If you see all of these OpenCode under Google, is because I already have my account attached. So I have quite a plethora of models. So let's just see. I want to use a Cloud under Google. I want to use, let's say, Cloud 4.5. If you don't have anti-gravity, your anti-gravity account connected, you may struggle with this. But I'm just going to use Gemini 3 Pro. So I'll click on that. And I want to paste a prompt inside here. I'm simply going to I'll go to Gemini and then I'll tell it, I'll just dictate to it, I want to build a high-end landing page for a law firm, just a single page website for a law firm based in Ontario, Canada, that specializes in personal injury and wrongful termination cases. So write the master prompt and the design should be exquisite, high-end and luxury. So I'll click on that and then I'll just run. It's going to give me the prompt right now. And when it gives me that prompt, I am going to paste it into OpenCode and see what I get. I'll just start copying now the prompt and going. Um, all right, it appears to know I'm doing this for a YouTube video. So I'll come to open Cursor, then I'll paste this here. It's pasted 50 lines of code. Just hit enter. It may take some time for this to do its thing, but when it's done, I'm going to show you the results. So it's done doing its thing. It says you can now start the editorial experience with this. So I'll simply copy this particular, it's copied. I'll go to my terminal. I'll run this. I'll just cd into that. I think I need to first of all cd into OpenCode general, that particular terminal. All right, let's see. cd. I'll just find that path and cd into it. I'm now in that directory. I'll come back to Cursor. Then I want to run this. I've copied that. I'll come back to iTerm. I'll run that. So it gives me, the link should be somewhere here. The link should be somewhere here. Okay, this is it, localhost. I'll copy this and then I'll simply go back to this, my browser, and I want to Command V, enter that. And then you see the website here. This is the website. This is freaking amazing. So it looks very luxury. I would have had 4 these things here, 4, not 1. And then I could also supply some pictures. So if you click on expertise, it brings you here. Click on results, it brings you here. Click on authority, it also brings you here. So this is the website, and this is OpenCode in action inside Cursor. Now, one thing you should realize is that if you leave it on build, let me click on tab. You see it's now on plan. It's going to keep running over and over. I kept going over all of these. You can see from the top, it's going to keep going over and over, but not building anything until you switch to build. Until you switch to build, and then you can also click, let's say, Control T and choose high. Choose high such that the build goes faster. So in a nutshell, that is how to use OpenCode inside Cursor. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.